Hello friends, welcome to Vitish Academy, and today we are going to discuss some laws of rational indices. So first, let us say if p is a positive integer and x is greater than 0, then we have by definition y is equal to x power p if and only if x is equal to y power 1 by p, and where y is greater than 0. So this condition is applied only when if p is positive integer, and here x is called as the pth root of y, and we can write this as x is equal to pth root of y. And for p is equal to minus n, and where n is greater than 0, then we get y power 1 by p as y power minus 1 by n. So we got this just by substituting minus n in the place of p. So this we can represent as 1 by y power 1 by n, and we can write this as 1 by nth root of y. Now let us consider few simple examples based on these laws. So here x power 1 by 2 can be represented as 2th root of x, which is nothing but root x. And we can represent x power 1 by 3 as cubed root of x. And similarly, x power m by n can be represented as nth root of x power m. So let us consider here a simple example, which is 16 whole power 3 divided by 4. So we observe that this example is in the form of x power m by n. So by comparing, we get the value of x as 16, m as 3, and n would be here 4. So let us replace all these values in the formula. So here we have n, which is nothing but 4th root of x power m, which would be 16 power m is here 3. So again we can write this as 4th root of 16 can be represented as 2 power 4 whole cube. That implies this would come as 4th root of 2 cube whole power 4. So here we can cancel over 4 and 4th root, and we get this as 2 cube, which would be here 8. And now let us learn some other laws of rational indices. So here we have the first law as nth root of a whole power n can be represented as a, and here nth root of a divided by nth root of b would be here nth root of a divided by b. Similarly, we have the other law, which is mth root of nth root of a. So this we can write as mnth root of a. And other law here we have as nth root of ab, which can be represented as nth root of a into nth root of b. And then at last we have nth root of a power n can be written as a, where n is greater than or equal to 0 and n should be an odd number. So this was a basic introduction on laws of indices. Hope you understood the concept. To like this video, thanks for watching. Have a good day.